Hi, today we are going to see about array or one-dimensional array in Java. Okay, what is array? So till now we have seen about variables. Variable is used to store a single data. Okay, we can't store multiple datas in a single variable. Okay, so if we want to store multiple datas of similar data types in a single variable means then we can go for array concept. Okay, so array we can use collection of data of similar type into a single variable. Okay, so the variable declaration is array variable declaration. We can first start with the data type. I'm giving integer array, so int a of. Okay, so we have to initialize this, or we have to specify the size of the array. Okay, means how many values, how many data we are going to store into this array, that we need to specify. Okay, so how we can specify is int a of is equal to new int of I'm going to specify 10. Okay, means 10 values of integer value I am going to store in a variable a. Okay, so I have specified like int a of, this is the array name. So this is single dimensional array or one dimensional array. So we are giving one square bracket. Okay, is equal to new. We have to give, what is the use of new means this new will allocate a memory location for this array. Okay, of size 10. Okay, 10 means we can store 10 values into this array variable. Okay, one more way is also there. We can define an array, that is I'm defining one more array, int b of, giving semicolon. Okay, now just we have given the array, we have not specified the size. Okay, so we have declared this variable as array. Now there is no memory got allocated for this variable. Okay, if we want to allocate the memory for this, then we have to go for b equal to new int of 5. I'm giving. Okay, now only this variable memory will be allocated for this variable. Okay, whenever we are using this new keyword, then only the memory is getting allocated for the variable. Okay, this is one way of declaring an array. This is another way of declaring an array. Okay, so now we can take only one array variable, that is a. Okay, now we have declared an array of name a. Okay, we want to assign 10 values to the variable of integer type. Okay, so in memory, so we want to store the values, but how we will access that? Okay, that we have to see that. So 10 values will be stored one by one. So the values can be accessed through index. Okay, so the index starts from 0. Okay, so I'm giving a of 0 equal to, I'm assigning some value 55. Okay, that means the 10 memory space we have allocated, in that first value will be 55. That means that we are storing like a of 0 is equal to 55. Okay, in a second value is I'm giving some 50. Okay, so that means second value we can specify by index as 1. Okay, equal 50. Okay, in the same way we can give till a of 9, because 10 values only we can store in this array. So we can go starts from index 0 to 9. Okay, in that way we can assign 10 values to the array. Okay, so I'm giving a of 2 equal to some 98 and a of 3 equal to some 76. Like this we can give till a of 9. Okay, so if we want to access that, then we can, the same way we can access by index. So I'm going to print a of 2. Okay, means what is the value of 2? 98. So I'm giving execute, we will get 98. In this way we can access the values in the array by specifying the index. Okay, I'm giving a of 0 means we will get 55. Okay, this is the way of accessing the array variables. Okay, and one more way is there. So here we are specifying the size. What will happen if we have not specified the size? Okay, so for creating an array we should specify the size. If we have not specified, we can assign values, okay, here itself by using the curly braces. Okay, so I have created one array of name B. I am directly assigning some values to this. Okay, so now the array is getting created and the values are also assigned to this variable, okay, by the index value 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now the size of the array is 4. Okay, index starts from 0 and the size of the array is number of values we are storing into the variable is called the size of the array. Okay, so if we want to access this, means we can access by the index. I want to access 32. What is the index of this 32? 2. 0, 1, 2. 2 is the index of the 32. Now we can execute, we will get 32. Okay, what will happen if we are trying to access the index up more than this last one, means 0, 1, 2, 3. 3 is the last index. Now I am going to trying to access 4, means what will happen? So our program will throw array index out of bound exception. Okay, see, since we are going to access the 4th index that is not available for this variable. Okay, thank you.